This is my review of the Victorinox Swiss champ. Comes in a nice leather sheath that I got it with. Firstly, we have the main blade here, which is at the bottom. It says Victorinox Swiss made standard. Secondly, we have the wood saw. Very sharp wood saw. We have the file, and it also has a very fine saw at the bottom. We have a ruler which is 3 inches and 7 centimeters, and it's also this is to gut out the fish and this is to scale the fish. We have scissors, one of the best scissors on a pocket knife or multi-tool that I've ever used. We have the pliers. They're all the right pliers, not the best, but to do the job. You have a Phillips head screwdriver that locks in there and there. Have a magnifying glass, which is quite handy to use sometimes. You have a can opener for your tins, tin peas, etc. You have a bottle opener and also a wire stripper right there. And you have a corkscrew with a screwdriver that you can use for glasses. And many people don't know this, but actually once you take out the corkscrew right here, you get a sewing needle pen. So that's nice if you ever need to sew. Then you have another flathead chisel first, a good working wood chisel, and you also have a flathead screwdriver, and you have a hook for packages with string, and you can just hold it like that, and just so the string won't rip into your hands. Here. What do you know this? Oh, this is a ream or a puncher, some people like to call them. You can put thread into their stuff. The weight of this, I weighed it a couple of weeks ago. It's about 6.5 ounces because it is one of the beefiest Victorinox tools you can get. The length is, do you have a ruler, anyone? Thank you. The length is about 9 centimeters, and the width, we'll just do it as we're doing this, is about 2 centimeters. And it's very beefy. Yeah, I don't really carry this very much mainly because it is just very big and so many tools that I don't need. Well, it also has some tweezers here down the back end. Quite useful if you ever get a splinter or anything. I have a toothpick, which is, I don't think is the best toothpick. I honestly think it's a load of crap. The only thing I would use it for, maybe get gunk out of, like, if you're gonna use metal, like in a engine or like anything really like that. And you actually also have a pen, a good working pen that I'll just use on this. Good working blue pen. It only comes in blue, and you can get refills for this off many websites if you look around. So this is my review. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much. Yeah!